Good afternoon. I'm Ananta, a student of grade 7 at the District Fatima Owaisi Educational Campus HPPG at Kanyakumari. I'm delighted to welcome you to the presentation at today's platform. I would like to tell about my school. This is my school and this is intermediate and this is degree and PG college. Janab Akhtar Ismail, Chairman of Owaisi Schools of Excellence. He provides free education for full city. Education is the key to success in everywhere and making sure that every child will develop with education. Education is the dream of AMI, true leaders are positive Oasis, who is healthy rising their dreams. Oasis School of Excellence is a name which presents at quality of education. A promising Oasis with crores of expenses involved by his own pocket for schools, provide free of cost education every student in their dreams. Thank you.